Forgot I got Michael Myers in the Terrifier.
Bro, I got the Black Noir, bro.
You look like Black Noir.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I mean.
I got that bulge, though.
Yeah.
Bitch.
You have reinforcements
Did you get him?
Bit.
You got him?
Yeah. He got the superior, too?
That shit hurts like a fucking bitch.
What?
My cut?
Oh. Where Chris Britton stalled you?
That nigga gave me a real life stim shot. That's cause the nigga tried to punch me and he had the apple pen in his hand and he slapped down. That's going in the video.
Alright. I'm gonna delete this video.
Nigga.
Oh!
No! Yeah, I'm not playing Warzone no more. Let's play Minecraft.